Hey, I'm Sam from DIY Huntress, and I like to build stuff. It makes me really happy, and if I get to build stuff that's custom for my house and also like save some money doing it, then why not? So my goal with building is to show people that building custom stuff is approachable. I also think there's a misconception that you have to spend a ton of money to make your space or your projects be what you want them to be, but you can totally build cool stuff on a budget, and that's really my goal to share that. I think epoxy projects can feel intimidating if you've never done them before, but having a company like TotalBoat, which makes a really great and easy to use product, just makes that project and that process so much easier. I think it's really cool to work with a company that not just makes products for epoxy pours, but also makes products for wood finishing. It's kind of like one-stop shopping, which makes life a lot easier. TotalBoat just feels like family. Like they don't just feel like a brand, they feel like family. TotalBoat is rad.